guys, welcome back to my channel. What I have for you today is a combination Dollar Tree and Dollar General DIY for Christmas. I think this is going to be so cute. So let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this Christmas project for 2020 from the Dollar Tree and Dollar General. You'll need one of these little sleighs that the Dollar Tree had. And I hauled this not long ago. They had one that had Santa and I think it was a snowman on it. So you'll need one of these sleighs. Then you'll need one of these window clings from the Dollar General. I loved it. I thought it was so beautiful with those red trucks, okay? Then you're going to need some Waverly Chalk paint in the mineral. This is the kind I always use. And Waverly Chalk paint in the truffle, okay? And then you're going to need some Mod Podge from the Dollar Tree. I have a little bit of the matte left, and then I have gloss, so who knows, may end up mixing them. You're going to need a ruler and then some brushes, right, like this. One for, I may do some dry brushing, and then the other two. And then a little sanding block from the Dollar Tree, okay? It is that simple. So let me get everything, get the camera flipped down, and we'll get started with this adorable Christmas DIY for 2020. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is take this sanding block and sand off this glitter on these snowflakes. This is a really pretty sled, but I want to embellish it. Okay, now this is what we're getting so far. I got it pretty good. I got all the glitter off and roughed it up. Now you could put a layer of Mod Podge on this if you wanted to, you know, seal it and help. You wouldn't use as much paint, but I don't think I'm going to do that. I'm going to go in first with my Waverly Chalk paint in mineral. And I think I'm going to leave the top here where it says Merry Christmas and the glitter. I think I'm going to leave that, okay? So I just want to go ahead, pour a little bit of this chalk paint out. And we're just going to come right down through here. And some of those snowflakes still stand out. So we'll look at this. It really won't hurt that they do stand out. It's not going to bother me at all, because I'm going to put some on there. So if they stand out, that's okay. It may take a couple coats, so I'm not going to have you watch me paint this because I know you know what I'm doing. I'm just putting on a good coat. And it'll probably take 2 coats to cover this up, and then I'll be back. Okay, and this is what we're getting so far. I think that looks so good. I put 2 coats on and dried it with a hair dryer, okay? So now what I want to do is I want to, I think, get my ruler and come down through here. And just, you could measure this out if you wanted. I always just eyeball. And we're going to make the slats for the sleigh. Okay. Okay, and that's what we're getting so far. I know it's hard to see, okay? So now what I want to do is take this Waverly Chalk paint in truffle and going to dip down in here, get some, and then I'm just going to come right down through here. My chalk paint is a little thick. Okay, all my paint, the Waverly, the truffle is just too thick. So I'm going to get the apple barrel melted chocolate paint, going to put a little bit out. I think this will be better. And I'm going to get a wider brush because where I didn't have that paint was dry, it just messed that up. So I'm going to come straight down here. Okay, I wasn't liking that effect at all because my paint was like too thick. So I painted over it. I'm going to try to dry brush over this. I think we can hide this, but let's just look and see. If not, I can always paint totally over it again. So I'm just going to get some of this chocolate bar. Just sort of distress it. I think this is going to hide a multitude of problems, okay? And I'm just sort of keeping my brush sort of at an angle and getting it on the edges, because the edges would look older. A lot older. Okay, and this is what we're getting so far. I love that. I think that turned out really nice. Okay, so now what I want to do is take some Mod Podge and put on this little sleigh. I'm going to try to use the mat that I had. You definitely, if you wanted, could put the like the little slats in it if you wanted. I don't know why my paint looked like that. I guess I hadn't used that color in a while. Okay, so we want to get this on here really well, wherever we think we want it. This will dry clear. Okay, and I'm just going to take off this truck where it says Merry Christmas, all this right here. I think this is going to be so cute. I'm planning on putting this in my utility room, okay? Let's make sure we get it straight. And then I see an area here that I need to get. Okay, and then we'll just smooth this out. This is so cute. Then we'll put some more on top. And this totally just looks like it's an old sleigh that has had this put on it. I love it. You could do something else on the top if you wanted where it says Merry Christmas. But I just wanted to leave it like this. I think it's adorable. And when we get my utility room door, the new door in, I'm going to be decorating my utility room for Christmas, and you'll get to see it. We're putting a really pretty glass door that says laundry. My husband found it at a salvage for like $100 and some. It was so inexpensive. We're thrilled with it. Okay, so let me see, do I want to do anything else? If I wanted, I could put some of these snowflakes on here. That would be cute. Let's see. I think I'm going to have to switch to my luster Mod Podge. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, let's put maybe one more little snowflake, maybe down here at the bottom. I mean, the possibilities are endless with this. You could do so much. You can do as little or as much as you want with this. It's so cute. Okay. I think that's it. Okay, let's take a look. Well, here it is. It's still a little wet. I love how this turned out. Look at that. That is so pretty. It totally elevated this sign and made it look so much more high-end. I love it. And like I said, I'm going to display it, I think, in my utility room. But I think this is so adorable. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you on Wednesday for a wonderful Dollar Tree haul. And but I think this is so cute if you love red trucks, an easy little DIY to make. So until next time, bye guys.